What's up everyone, Appliance Fix Academy here. In this video, I'm walking you step by step through the proper Samsung French door ice maker repair procedure for no ice, frozen ice rooms, frost buildup, and stuck ice buckets. This applies to many Samsung models from 2014 through 2018, and if you skip steps, you will get callbacks. So let's do it the right way. First things first, place the refrigerator into self-diagnostic mode and check for any stored error codes. Next, put the unit into forced defrost mode. This loosens ice and prepares the system for safe disassembly. Remove the ice bucket. If it's stuck, use a steamer only. Do not use a heat gun or hairdryer. This can permanently damage the liner and turn a repair into a replacement. Inspect the ice bucket for cracks or fractures. Check the gasket to make sure it seals properly. Then inspect the ice chute flapper. If it's not soft, pliable, and fully closing, you'll get air leaks and frost. This step is critical. You must remove all ice from the ice room and auger area using a steamer. Any ice left behind will cause a repeat failure. Disconnect the ice maker harness, unlock the drain duct, and carefully remove the ice maker assembly from the ice room. Look for water spray marks, ice in the airflow duct, ice in the drain, and ice buildup on the ice room floor. These are all signs of airflow or sealing issues. Disconnect and remove the auger motor assembly. Continue steaming until the entire area is completely clear of ice. Inspect the air channel above the auger and remove any remaining ice. Check the ice room drain. Remove any foam debris or ice and confirm proper drainage to the drip pan. Replace the auger drain using the updated component from the IM service kit. Do not replace the full auger unless there is confirmed damage. Inspect the fill tube for debris and verify proper spacing between the waterline and fill tube. Incorrect spacing causes water spray and ice buildup. Seal all gaps in the ice room using RTV sealant, especially along the floor and sidewalls. This creates an airtight ice room and prevents warm air intrusion. Reinstall the auger motor fully seated and locked. Install the Y-clips pointing straight down. Crooked clips will cause water pooling and freezing. Reinstall the ice maker assembly from the service kit, reconnect the harness, and secure all fasteners. Even if the unit had an updated ice maker before, install the new one. With power off F, replace the main control board using the PCB included in the service kit. Never connect or disconnect PCB wiring with power applied. Run test mode and listen for the chime. Allow the full test cycle to complete and check carefully for leaks, spraying, or abnormal operation. Reinstall the ice bucket and place the unit back into self-diagnostic mode to confirm there are no remaining error codes. Watch the end of this video for the part number of the ice maker kit that fits your model number. If this helped you avoid a callback, hit that like button. For a free appliance repair diagnostic checklist, click the link in the description. For all Samsung appliances master file of diagnostic modes, click the link in the description. And if you want deeper training like this, check out Appliance Fix Academy, where technicians learn to diagnose first and replace second. I'll see you in the next one.